you will learn how to quickly insert curve in Google Docs. Okay, here I've opened a document. In case you don't know the website, just visit docs.google.com and sign in if you are not signed in automatically. All right, so Docs does not have an inbuilt tool that allows you to create curve, but you're going to use a free-to-use web platform, which is Canva. So open a new tab in your browser and visit canva.com. So once you're here, you can choose any dimension of your choice. So let's go with custom size. And the units here is pixel. So I have used 1920 by 1920. Let me work with that again. Please ensure that it is on white background so that it will align with the background of Google Docs. So the next step is to click on text. On clicking on text, select add heading. Add a heading or any other type of text you want to add. Here, let me go with this. Then let's type your few text, which you will make curve later. Okay. After typing your text, ensure that the text box is still selected. If you clicked out after that, please click on it again for it to be selected. Then after that, click on effects. We see a lot of effects you can apply by the side. And under shape, you have this, which is curve. Click on it. So let's scroll down here to see more things we can do. You can see this have been made curve, but if we want to increase the curve nature, you keep on dragging this way. If you want to reduce it, you move this way. All right. So on the assumption that I'm okay with what we have here, let me now drag it up again. And once you're good with this, you can set it or make it any adjustments you want to make. And from here, you can click on this, then click on download, and then click on download button. All right, it will be saved into your PC. But I don't want to pass through this stress. I want to go faster. So I'll click out. And after that, I will take the screenshot by pressing the screenshot key of my computer keyboard. All right, I'll position my cursor very well, and then I'll capture the curve I want to capture. After that, I'll click on capture. So these have been captured. Then let's get back to Google Docs and insert it. So I'll click this way and then click on a spot where you want to insert that in the Google Docs. Click on insert, then select image and then upload from computer. So get a folder where that is saved and click on it and click on open. You can see this have been inserted. So I can click on it and maybe make it bigger if it seems small. If you're trying to do that and it's not working out, maybe you're trying to drag this way, it goes through, and you want to drag down, it doesn't go through. Okay, here it's working. So you can reposition that. Maybe you click here to drag it to another place of your choice in the document, because once it's here, you cannot move the image. All right, it's not an image, but once you select this option, you can be able to drag it to anywhere you want to have it in your Google Docs. If you consider this video helpful, just consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, hit the like button and leave a comment. Okay, if you have anything you want to ask, just drop that in the comment section. See you some other time.